Hey YouTube, it's Sean. And we're back with the Jeep here. Not going to do much on it today, but I want to show you guys the updated mess. And it wasn't anything I did except for to buy cheap pinstriping. It went on fine, and it's the fact that it doesn't like the sun at all. It's wanting to peel up and shrink real bad. Yeah, it came off eBay from China, and I shouldn't have expected so much. See, it won't. And we prepped the surface really well. I had a couple people ask me about that, and we did. It's just that easy. It's just pinstriping shouldn't come off like that. It shouldn't be so easy to. It shouldn't be so easy, so we're going to take it off, and we got some ideas on what we want to do, and I think that I'm going to do my old school way of doing. I mean, this is a quick and easy way to do it, but we are going to probably do some masking and just get some oil-based paint. You see, it just peels right off. You shouldn't do that after it's been on this long, and it's terrible. It's no good, so we're going to get rid of it. And it just didn't want to, no matter how much you try to prep it. I prepped this and let it set a little bit, and then I prepped it again with Prep-Sol and a couple other products I tried, and it's all basically the same. You see, that didn't even do nothing. So it turns into like paper. It's just garbage. It's kind of a shame, but I shouldn't have expected so much out of it. I mean, the whole about 4 rolls for $9, and I should have known better because I've pinstriped with a lot of rigs, and this is just the most pathetic stuff I've ever bought. I'm trying to do stuff too much on the cheap here, and that's what it amounted to. It sticks to your hands good though. But yeah, we're gonna probably, no doubt, eventually here I'll go over to paint shop here and see if we can get some paint. I got plenty of tape, so I think I got plenty of tape left. Yeah, I'm pretty sure I do. So we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this again, and this time we're just gonna paint her on in there, lay some paint. And it's kind of strange. Oops. Because we did the other Jeep years and years ago. Sheesh. And it stuck fine, and it black there. It stuck fine, so it was all in the cheapo stuff. Anywho, we'll bring you back when we get ready to lay down some paint. But she's running great, and I don't even know if I've shown you guys the interior of this. Is for so many miles is perfect. There's not one tear in the seats. The door panels are immaculate. The dash is all intact, and it's nice. I built this stereo cover so that people don't know if they're stealing a good one or a bad one, but it's just got a cheapie. It's a DVD player, but it's just a little screen. But the wife likes to listen to the radio, so that goes over the top of it. I built that from aluminum stock, and just some lettering off of out of the wrecking yard. Betcha. Four-wheel drive works great. We put some Jeep floor mats in it that we got from the old AutoZone. Yep, it's a good little runner. But this is why we don't want to spend a whole lot of money on it, because it does have some miles. Yep. 248 and change, and it's time to think about not putting a whole lot into it. But anywho, those tires are holding up. Those Goodyear Wranglers that I got at the wrecking yard for 140 bucks with the wheels all mounted, ready to roll. I thought it was a great deal. They have good tread. Anywho, love y'all. Thumbs up. Bye bye.